Hold on, this video can change your way of thinking about feedback, growth, and becoming a better software engineer. Hey everyone, welcome to a new video of Software Engineering Live series. Today we are going to talk about a crucial topic which is very much important for your growth and improvement as a software engineer. Ability to accept feedback. Let's divide this video into few points. First, we will learn about what are the type of feedback. Then we will discuss about some real life scenario. At the end, we will discuss about how to handle this feedback as a software engineer. Before we dive into how to accept feedback gracefully, let's first understand why it is so important. As a software engineer, our work is collaboration. Feedback serves as a compass guiding us towards writing better code, building better product, and ultimately becoming a better software engineer. Now let's discuss what are the different flavors of this feedback. Positive feedback versus constructive feedback. If you are doing good work, then definitely the positive feedback or appreciation will boost your confidence. It will give you the confidence. You will think that yes, I am doing good thing, let's do some more. You will get more interested in the product, more interested in the feature, more interested in writing good code. And the next type of feedback is constructive feedback. That's where the magic happens. It's point out the area of improvement. Maybe your variable name could be more clear or your error handling needs a little love. Sometimes we tend to think that we know everything, right? But constructive feedback make us humble, show us areas where we can improve ourselves, where we can grow and become an even better engineer. Now let's discuss about some real life example of feedback. Code review comments, user experience feedback, team collaboration insight. So let's discuss code review comment. When other developer reviewing your PR or your code, they leave comment. These comments suggest improvement or point out some of the issues, some of the edge cases that you are missing in your code. It's like having a second pair of eyes in your feature. Remember, your code review comments are opportunity to make your code much better. Now the next point is user experience feedback. Imagine you create an app and users start using it. They provide feedback how this app feels to them, the good, the bad, and some confusing part of your app. User experience feedback help you refine your app and make it more user friendly and delightful. Now the last type of feedback in real life is team collaboration insight. When you work with a team, you gain insight from collaboration. It's like brainstorming session where everyone contribute ideas. This insights leads to a better solution, smoother teamwork, and strong project overall. Now at the end, let's discuss about some nitty-gritty of handling feedback like a pro. First, maintain an open mind. Remember, everyone makes mistakes and nobody is perfect. Feedback isn't a personal attack. It's a gift wrapped in honesty. Embrace it, absorb it, and use it to fuel your growth. Secondly, don't let feedback to break your confidence. Sometimes some engineers thought that if they are getting some negative feedback, then they thought that is the end of their career. Definitely not. Your career is not dependent on that one feedback that you got from your manager or your teammates. Feedback is a continuous process. Whether it is a positive feedback or negative feedback you are getting, you have to work on that. You don't need to break your confidence and just sit in your chair and think my software engineering career ends here. And lastly, take action on this feedback. Feedback is only valuable if you act upon it. So roll up your sleeves, dive into the code and start making those improvements. Remember, at very first day, nothing is built completely. It takes time to improve as a software engineer. So now at the end we will discuss what are the to-dos or what thing you can do to be a good software engineer. First point is listen actively. When someone give you feedback or share their thought, pay close attention to it so that you care about what they are saying Active listening means nodding, making your eye contact, and avoid distraction. Now the next point is avoid defensiveness. Imagine someone is pointing out some of the issue in your code or in your peer. Instead of getting defensive, stay open-minded. Defensiveness block your growth. Instead, say, thank you for putting this out, let's improve it together. And the last point is ask, clarify and question. If the feedback that you are getting is not proper clear to you, ask for clarity, seek for clarity. Ask question like, could you give more example? What the special areas that I can improve? What are the things you think I can improve to make this project much better? This kind of question you can ask to that person who is giving you the feedback. Clarifying question so that you are engaged and committed to understand. That's a superpower in any field. Now discuss the most important point regarding feedback. The feedback loop. Feedback is not just a one-time event, it's a loop. Think of it as a continuous cycle of improvement. You received feedback, you act upon it, and then you receive more feedback and you act upon that, and again you are receiving more feedback. It's like a never-ending journey towards your code mastery. So don't think that one time I got feedback, I will work upon that and I am a good engineer. It's not happening. You are getting feedback, you are working on that, then on some other point you will get some more feedback, you will work upon this. It is a continuous process. It's not like 1 day improvement, 2 days improvement. You need to stick on the point for the rest of your career that I need to be best on this topic. Remember, feedback isn't about perfection, it's about progress. So that was all for this video. Hope you understand that how feedback works, how to improve as a software engineer, and how to take feedback positively, how to use the most of it.